Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of the day is 怎么. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 怎么 Then the m is light and short. 怎么 Very good. Now let's write it together. 撇横竖横横点弯钩点点撇折点怎么 means how. So it's in a question sentence we have a two-way use 怎么. First is ask about the manner of an action, the way, the method, like how you go to school. 你怎么去学校? So when you hear this question, you can answer take bus, 坐公车 take taxi, 坐的士. Second one is ask about the reason with surprise. For example, look at this character. It's very hard. Do you know how to read it? 你知道怎么读? Yeah. I hear somebody know, so I'm very surprised. So I say, how do you know? 你怎么知道? So when you use how do you know, you must have some story before. You are very surprised for something, so you want to know why. That is why in daily life, some English sentence, why something, you use how, 怎么 in Chinese. It's not means 怎么 means why, just because the situation is similar. Okay, do you get it? If you like this video, please share it to your friends. See you next time. Bye bye.